the US FDA conducted an inspection at two of Frito-Lay facilities. Unfortunately, they uncovered two major issues. The first one was wrong bag mistake at the Washington factory. They accidentally packed cheetah and sauce cream ruffle into original ruffle bag. The big issue here is condensed milk, but because of the wrong packaging, milk was not listed as an ingredient on the label. And the second incident was dirty equipment mistake at the California factory. The FDA inspectors found orange cheese residue on production machines that workers had falsely signed off as cured.
First, Bridge 1. The plant failed in allergen preventive control under 21 CFR 117.135. They skipped the critical hazard analysis, exposing product to severe contamination and misbranding risk. Next, Bridge 2. A critical packaging error occurred where cheddar chips were packed inside original bags. The verification protocol were completely ignored and QC employees did a blind sign-off, approving a good status despite a documented mismatch. Finally, Bridge 3. FDA discovered a 1 mm meat residue on the equipment during a flavor changeover. However, internal sanitation logs were falsified as clean, proving that the plant internal quality monitoring was heavily compromised.
This slide shows the root cause analysis that is crucial to understand the Frito-Lay FDA warning letter about allergens. We will be able to identify exactly why our packaging and labeling issues are occurring through the analysis of our weakness in the four critical areas of methods, people, materials, and measurements. Some deficiencies include insufficient shift changeover procedures, a failure to provide basic allergen training for their line operators, storage of materials too close to each other, and improper sanitation swab verification. With this systematic approach to finding out root cause, we will be able to develop prevention controls to ensure food safety and compliance.
Risk assessment and impact analysis. We truly understand the gravity of this violation, broke down into technical impact into four critical areas. First, public health. This is a catastrophic risk. Undeclared milk is life-threatening and can cause severe anaphylactic shock or even death in allergic consumers. Second, regulatory. This is an FDA escalation violating 21 CFR Part 117 immediately triggers official warning letters, strict legal scrutiny, and legally mandated compliance timelines. Third is operational. We see a systematic breakdown. This error forced a widespread voluntary recall, resulting in massive product waste, high reverse logistic costs, and totally inventory destruction. Finally, brand equity. This represents a severe loss of trust. Widespread public safety alerts actively damage consumer confidence, alienating the highly brand loyal and energy conscious demographic.
Based on the GMP violation identified during the FDA inspection, both correction and preventive action were proposed. For correction action, the cleaning and sanitization are necessary because the inspector found cheese residue on production equipment, which could cause allergen cross-contamination. Label verification also important because the incident involved incorrect packaging that failed to declare milk allergen. Product inspection is conducted to identify and control affected product before they reach their consumer. For preventive action, GMP employee training is recommended to improve employee awareness and reduce human error. A packaging verification system can minimize label mistakes, while routine internal audit can help to ensure GMP procedures are constantly followed. Together, these measures can reduce allergen contamination risk, improve food safety, and maintain continuous GMP compliance.